This is a pause deadlift. So what we're gonna do is, the aim of the game is to, as soon as the weight lifts off the ground, we're gonna pause in that position, hold it for a minor second, and then continue the lift. Remove your shoes first. Same normal deadlift. Have the bar over the middle of your foot. Attain your brace before you go down. Reach. And then we're gonna tighten up and then press the world away from us and then pause in that moment and then hips through. So again, how to pause and where to pause. Do the normal deadlift setup. Get ready to go, wind up, squish grapes in your armpits, turn your lats on, press the world away from you, and as soon as the weight's lifted up, you want to pause in that position. And finish the lift. The point of this variation is to feel super strong and gain awareness when you just come off the floor, which is probably the most important part of this lift. You're going to have to drop down the weight, but it's going to allow you to execute perfectly and it's going to really clean up your deadlift. Exact same thing for a sumo. When you pause, you should really feel the load through your glutes and your quads because that's that initial pressing movement. If you feel it through your lower back or somewhere else, it's probably because you haven't pushed the world away from you.